Hi, Brandon Strange, ERA Key Realty Services. Back at the 43 lot subdivision in Millis, Emerson Place. Phase one has been completed. All of them have actually either sold or are under contract to sell. They already started building out on phase two. Those haven't quite hit the market, but if you have any interest, I'm going to show you now 17, which is a more contemporary, I think it's called the SpringView model, just to show you what some of the possibilities are on the future new constructions that are going in phase 2 and 3. So let's go inside and take a look around. Okay, so here we are in the front entryway as you first come in on the left. As you can see, this is kind of either an office space or a den, if you like. It's got the double doors coming in, and that comes right into kind of the, I don't know, this open area that could be like a live-in or eat-in kitchen. As you see here, there's the staircase going up. As you can tell, if you're familiar with any of my other videos, this is quite a different footprint and layout than other ones. Much more open space. This is the kitchen. Again, usually they have been going along the other way, but this one, it's more of an L-shaped. Some of the work that they're doing in here, the details is just beautiful. Like this pantry, it actually has a nice frosted glass door. It actually says pantry right on it in case you get lost. And then let me take you around to the other side and I'll show you the rest of this first floor, and then we'll take a look at the upstairs. Okay, so off to the side you have a little half bath here, and the kitchen is where you're coming from. And then most people will be using this because this is the two-car garage that you would come right in here. And then let's come down here. I don't think I pointed it out. It actually has, again, they're getting a little more details. You can see the nice, beautiful archway coming in for the front entryway, as well as if you look at the floor, they trimmed that out a little bit differently as well. So now I'm going to take you upstairs and show you the 4 bedrooms up there and the bathrooms, and then we'll call it a day. So here we are coming up to the second floor. I'm going to show you the bedrooms, the 3 bedrooms first. You know, typical, size bedroom for one of these. It's got this off to the side, light fixtures in, closet on the side. And then I'll take you over here. This area to the right is for the laundry, so you're going to have second floor laundry. This is the second bedroom. A little bit of a different layout here, as you can see, with the arches coming in. And then there's a nice walk-in closet. I'm not going to go all the way in there, but it goes down quite a way, so it's a nice little walk-in closet. And then I'll take you down around the corner. This is the third bedroom. As you can see, pretty standard and pretty much like the other 2, or at least the first one that we saw. And then you have the upstairs shared bath for the 3 bedrooms. Right in here, this is all pretty much completed, except for a couple fixtures and, mirrors and whatnot. And then I'm going to take you into the master bedroom. And before I do, I just want to give you a heads up. There's insulation all over the floor and whatnot. They were cutting in holes and getting ready to put lighting and some of the ventilation and light fixtures in. So they kind of left it a mess. And I'm here on a Sunday doing this, so not to disturb any of the workers. But as you first come in, you got a nice walk-in closet for the master bedroom. Good spacious area here, 3 open windows to let lots of natural light in. And then I'll just let you take a peek. As you can see, nice stand-up shower. There was a soaking tub that doesn't look like it's quite hooked up yet, but it's in the process of it, and a dual vanity sink as well. So that's about it for today. If you have any questions, just let me know, and hope you have a great day. Bye now.